Okay, I'm super excited for today's unboxing. Let's see what BunnyDoc from AppSumo is all about. First, look at this clean, professional interface. Everything is organized. No clutter, no confusion. BunnyDoc claims to handle all your documents in one place. Prepare, send, sign, and track. Sounds promising, right? Let's try uploading a contract. Drag and drop. Done. Now I'll add signature fields. Super intuitive placement. Sending the document is just one click away. Recipient gets an email instantly, no delays. Let's switch to the recipient view. Smooth signing process. Signatures are legally binding, so total peace of mind. Back to my dashboard. Let's check document status. Real-time tracking. I see who opened and signed. No more guessing if someone saw my contract. The platform is cloud-based, access it anywhere. Perfect for remote teams or freelancers on the go. I love how everything is centralized and searchable. No more digging through emails for attachments. Security is top-notch. Documents are encrypted. I can set reminders and deadlines for signatures. It even integrates with my favorite workflow tools. I'm honestly impressed by the user experience. Navigation is straightforward, even for beginners. If you manage contracts regularly, this saves hours. Legal teams will appreciate the compliance features. Freelancers. No more chasing clients for signatures. Business professionals, track every deal effortlessly. I tested it with multiple documents, no lag at all. Support is responsive. I got answers quickly. Pricing on AppSumo is a steal right now. You get lifetime access for a one-time payment. Honestly, that's rare for tools like this. The only downside? Limited advanced customization. But for most users, all essentials are covered. Setup took me less than 5 minutes. No training needed, just log in and start. I'd recommend BunnyDoc for anyone handling paperwork. It's streamlined, efficient, and saves so much time. Don't miss the AppSumo deal. Seriously, it's worth it. Check the link below to grab BunnyDoc today. Let me know in the comments if you have questions.